Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a very simple artwork for your YouTube banner. There's a neat free site that I'm on now. It's called Fotor.com, and it lets you, it's free by the way, it lets you create all kinds of different stuff, but I found this real useful for making quick YouTube banners. It sizes it correctly for you and everything. So you will have to, I think you have to create an account, but it's free. So I signed in with my Facebook, and anyway, I'm going to go down here to design, and you can see that there is a YouTube channel art option right here. So that's what I'm going to click on. And you can see here it is it's already done in the right size pixels, 256 by 1440, which is what YouTube requires. So you won't have any upload issues to YouTube if you're using that size. Anyway, you can open up a picture that you may already have on your computer right here if you like, but today I'm just going to use one here on the available free templates. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, see if I can find a neat one. And you can pretty much edit these any way you like to. Bear with me just a sec. There's one I saw earlier. I'm going to use this one. It's just very simple. And so that's basically what it will be. Now, of course, I'm going to change the text, so I'm just going to go over here with my mouse and I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to change the name of this. I'm going to change this to the name of what my new YouTube site's going to be. So I'm just deleting the text that it had as a default. And it's going to be YouTube with Will Rob. And I want to change the text on my name. So I'm going to go up here to the text editor, see if I can find something a little bit better. What do you think, guys? Yeah, look good. Will Rob, no, I don't quite like that. I kind of like that. And you know, I think I'm going to make this a little different too. I think I'm going to size it down. Oops, I messed up. So I'm going to hit undo. Took me right back where I was. YouTube with Will Rob. Maybe try one more real quick. Okay, I'm just going to stick with this, okay? I can go back and edit it again later if I don't like the way it looks once I get my page going. So that's what I'm going to use. It's not real fancy, but it'll do for now. So what you want to do after you've created your design and you're happy with it is go up here and hit the sync button. And it's going to sync it to their cloud. You can see down here my taskbar is syncing. It's connecting. Sometimes it just takes a minute or two. Okay, so it's synced. And now I'm going to go ahead and save it. I think you just sync it in case you want to go back and work on it. But I'm going to save this. And I'm going to call it YouTube artwork. And I want to save it as a really high quality, so I'm going to go with a PNG file, which is better than a JPEG. YouTube will take either, but might as well go with the higher quality. I'm going to go with high quality as well. And it'll take a little longer to download because high quality PNG will be a bigger file. But so now I'm going to hit download. It's generating my work from cloud. So yeah, I believe that means you do want to sync it, like I showed you a second ago. So now you can see down here, it showed the file had been downloaded, and I always just say show in folder, something you can click, and that way you can see exactly where it saved it. You see it here at the bottom, YouTube artwork, and it's saved in my downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I'm going to drop this down to the bottom, or actually I'm just going to open up YouTube. And my new site that I just created, something new I'm getting into is creating all stuff YouTube to help people, help YouTubers, help gamers, whatever it may be. So anyway, my YouTube channel's opened up. I'm going to click on my channel. Customize the channel. Now, see, add channel art. Okay, so I'm going to click that. It's going to bring up another window. Select a photo from your computer. I'm in downloads. I'm going to go down to, there it is, YouTube artwork. I'm going to double click that. Now it's going to upload it to YouTube, and it's going to give you a little preview of how it looks across other devices. So anyway, if you want to crop it, you can. I like it, it's centered just right. So I'm going to hit select. Okay, it's saving it. Bam, there I have it. YouTube with Will Rob. Okay, so that was pretty easy to create artwork. Again, try out the free design in Fotor. I found it really handy. You can also change your, I haven't put in a icon, an image icon of myself yet, but I'll get to that later. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. You can get some artwork up on your YouTube site. Just takes a few minutes. I really appreciate you watching the video, and if you would be so kind as to give me a like and a subscribe, that would be great. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you next video. And signing out.